GetResponse is an online marketing platform that provides a suite of tools for email marketing, marketing automation, webinars, and other online marketing activities. It allows businesses and marketers to create, send, and track email campaigns, build landing pages, and automate various aspects of their marketing efforts. Here are some key features and aspects of GetResponse. Email marketing. GetResponse allows users to create and send professional-looking emails to their subscribers. It provides a drag-and-drop email editor, A/B testing, and analytics to track the performance of email campaigns. Marketing automation. Users can set up automated workflows and sequences based on subscriber behavior, enabling targeted and personalized communication. This can include actions such as sending follow-up emails, segmenting subscribers, and more. Landing pages. GetResponse enables users to create customized landing pages for their marketing campaigns. These pages can be designed without coding using the platform's drag-and-drop editor. Webinars. The platform offers webinar hosting, allowing users to conduct live or automated webinars to engage with their audience, generate leads, or provide educational content. Autoresponders. GetResponse includes autoresponder functionality, allowing users to set up automated responses to subscriber actions, such as sending a welcome email when someone joins a mailing list. Analytics and reporting. Users can track the performance of their campaigns through detailed analytics and reports. This includes information on open rates, click-through rates, conversion rates, and more. Integration. GetResponse integrates with various third-party tools and platforms, including e-commerce, CRM, and social media platforms, to streamline workflows and enhance functionality. It's important to note that the features and capabilities of GetResponse may evolve over time, so it's recommended to check the official website or contact GetResponse directly for the most up-to-date information on their services.